So, what is the difference between a deep thinker and a social person? A social person is everywhere, it's like an extrovert. Everywhere you find the social people, but the deep thinkers are very rare. If you find that you are one of them, then be ready for the hardships of life, because there is really ease for the people who are living a social life, because the people surrounding them tell them that it is they are living a content life, whereas the people not fitting in or adjusting themselves in their surrounding, in their work, in their family, in anywhere else, they feel like they are being lost and captured, then this is the sign of the person of a deep thinker. Deep thinker is not always like, there is also a variety that some deep thinkers feel drained in the company, and some deep thinkers feel very rebel in the company. So this is a difference, but we are not going into that difference. We are only going into the psychology of a deep thinker. Deep thinker never analyzes what the other extrovert wants to say, wants to convey, or to just apologize for what they are having. He just wants to feel comfortable in himself and want an space to analyze the other person's thoughts at a very fast speed. But the other people who are the social people, they detect that there is something missing, or there is something there, the deep person is something, he is doing something, pretending something, or he is lost, or he is basically down. So this is the point where deep thinkers are mostly misanalyzed and miscalculated. But the point here is that the deep thinker does not, as the age progresses, he realizes that it is it is not an issue itself, but he can do it more than them and have a more content life by separating himself, or doing another with some hobbies, or some that material which is that he is into that. So he has to find out these things, otherwise it is true that he would be drained in these type of people. He has to create a personal space and has to pray that God gives him space. Space is not something that you are in. Space is an state of mind. He a timeless space he wants, so that he could make decisions at a rapid, and by not being forced or judged by the people around them. And when it is timeless, then it's very rapid.